Silent brainstorming. I'll tell you a time when I hit upon this idea called silent brainstorming. Many of you may have participated in these sessions called brainstorming. What is brainstorming? It's essentially a group of people get together inside a room and give out a lot of ideas about a certain problem that they want solved. So I had been part of several brainstorming sessions like those, and many of my ideas were accepted in part of these brainstorming sessions. I definitely thought I was very creative. One of these guys, one of my lab mates, colleagues, he didn't come across as being so creative because many a times he did not open his mouth or he didn't contribute at all. No ideas came from this person. This went on for about 6 months in many of the brainstorming sessions. My ideas got documented and things went ahead. For this guy wouldn't open his mouth. 6 months later, I came across a paper which highlighted that in brainstorming sessions, things can be very effective if ideas are written down rather than being said out loud. If you can write things down. So I suggested, and no surprise, that was also accepted. And in the next brainstorming session, we wrote our ideas rather than voicing it out. We wrote the ideas before we voiced it out. Okay, so everybody in the group wrote the ideas, and when we read it out, the guy who had been not so creative in the last 6 months, suddenly, as if he woke up, was extremely creative. Guy came up with some real good stuff. I was surprised. Later on, in every session, whenever this guy participated, and particularly when it was silent brainstorming, he would come up with some gems. That's when I realized that he was really creative actually. And so what was stopping him from generating those good ideas? Well, it was me. In being vocal and voicing out the ideas, many people are not comfortable, so they just keep quiet. But this writing down in absolute silence actually enhances people's creativity and also sort of documents and democratizes brainstorming itself. So one of the key aspects of silent brainstorming is the idea that you can externalize your ideas, so leaving room for newer and creative ideas in your brain, and also capture everyone's ideas. So silent brainstorming is one of the key ways in which you can democratize ideation. Hear everybody out. So the key rules in this is sit down in silence wherever you can find the space, wherever you can write down or type it out all your ideas, and ask your colleagues also to do the same thing. And then all of you assemble in one place and read out your ideas. You're allowed to sort of build on someone else's ideas. And then collect them now. Try to see how this is far more effective than all of you getting into a room straight away and applying this brainstorming. Instead, silent brainstorming is very, very effective. So try this out with the same problem that you're working on.